Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at how to optimize email marketing for 2026. In this video, I'll show you how to optimize your email marketing. We're going to cover subject line segmentations, AI tools, and strategies that can increase your open rate and conversions. All right, so why email marketing still matters? Why does email marketing still matter? In 2026, email marketing remains one of the highest converting marketing channels. Unlike social media, you own your own email list and can reach your audience directly. You have a higher return on your investments, direct audience access, and better customer retention. But the most important thing is choosing the right email platform. So, choose an email marketing platform that speaks volumes about your business and what you're trying to market. There are many platforms like MailChimp, Cliveo, and ConvertKit. These tools help you send campaigns, automate emails, and track performance. And now, a few steps we can take to achieve this goal would be the first thing is building a high quality email list. The quality of your list matters more than the size. You have to offer free value, use lead magnets, add sign up forms, and avoid buying email lists. People should join your list because they actually want your content. That means if you're going to go ahead to create a website, it should be integrated with your email as an option. Them emailing you is them signing up to be part of your email list, basically. And now the next step you can take is writing better subject lines. So if you were to open a platform, let's say something like Google Mail. All right, so using Google Mail as an example of this, let's say you want to actually write better subject lines, as your subject lines determine whether people open your emails or not. Now, to put this into perspective, let's go ahead and compose an email. So click on Compose here, and let's simply open this up. Now, where we have subject, you should be entering things like most Shopify stores ignore this, how I increase sales with just one email. That can be a really good subject. Basically, you should keep your subject lines short, curiosity driven, and relevant. Try to avoid unnecessary subject lines that don't really speak volumes about what you're trying to sell as an email marketer. And also, you can use AI for your email creation if you have problems with compositions. Basically, AI tools can dramatically speed up your creation. You could use platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, and many other platforms. An example of a prompt you could actually use would be something along the lines of write a promotional email for a digital product launch. This could be your AI write up, that's your prompt. AI can generate subject lines, email sequences, and personalized copies. So that way you get to stick with what your audience knows you best for while also delivering quality marketed emails. All right, so the next step you have to take in order to boost your sales and also your email marketing as a business would be setting up automations. So, one of the biggest email marketing upgrades is automations. And a wonderful platform where you can use or rather begin automations would be a platform like Make.com. Make.com excels in this as it offers you, even as a beginner, it offers you an option to get started for free. You can basically use them to automate your email marketing. You can use it to automate your communication systems. You can use it to automate a lot of things. That way, your emails run automatically and can generate sales while you sleep. All right, so how would this actually work? Putting it into perspective. Let's say we want to actually start. Just click on Get Started for free. Simply sign up to the platform. I'm just going to go ahead and log in straight into my account. But basically, sign up for Make.com as one of the platforms to use and get started with the automation process. So let's go ahead and sign in. All right, so welcome to Make.com. And basically, on Make.com, you can just simply head into the scenarios menu on Make.com and you can build your integrations, you can build your connections. You can basically build anything that will increase your sales. So to get started, just click on create scenario and then you can now begin building your automations. You can build automations for either your welcome sequences, abandoned cart emails, follow up emails, and product recommendations. That can be done for any automation. You can basically create any automation in that manner. So how you would go about this, let's go ahead and finish off this, is basically click on this plus here where you start your automation. You basically select the trigger. All right, so all you need to do is just simply select Gmail or any other source. So you're starting with your source, and then you create a trigger, and then you make a connection. So let's say Gmail, and now we have to select our trigger. So our trigger would be when a new email is received in our inbox, or when someone searches for a mail, or when someone sends us an email, or when we get an update on our email label, or it could even be when we have attachments or make an API call. It could be any of these things. So let's say when we send an email, that is when we send a new email, we can now have a connection. It's basically connected to my Google Mail already, but basically the subject could be whatever we want it to be. The body type would be raw HTML or a collection of text and images. And then we can have our content, and then we can have attachments. So basically, we can have this system run while we sleep in a manner in which when emails come in, it can basically send another email out to our potential clients. But basically, what you're meant to do is simply segment your audience. So not every subscriber should receive the same email. There should be a email section for new subscribers, customers, inactive users, high spenders. Segmentation increases engagement because emails feel more relevant. And then the next step you can take to improve would be to fix your open and click rates. So to optimize your performance, track your analytics. You could use any platform to do this. Basically, just have your click-through rates, your conversion rates, and your unsubscribe rates as metrics that you can simply look at. Test different subject lines, layouts, and call to actions to improve your results. And then you can optimize everything for mobile, as most emails are opened on mobile devices. So make sure your paragraphs that would be in your subjects should be short. Make sure to enable large buttons that would lead to your websites and clear formatting. This can all be done using MailChimp. They offer these services. And if your email looks bad on mobile, people will leave immediately. So try to avoid that. And then the last step would be to create a consistent sending schedule. Consistency builds trust, and as such, don't disappear for months and suddenly start selling again. You need to be consistent with your clientele, and you need to make sure you're offering quality inside of your emails. All right, guys, that's how you can optimize your email marketing for 2026. Just focus on value, automation, and consistency, and your results will improve over time. All right.